What's going on, everybody? MrSettin007. Working on the Ion Tailgater speaker. Battery is toast. I've had this for a while, a couple years now, so I've had the battery also for the new replacement battery for a little while. This is the bottom of the speaker using a Phillips, star screwdriver. So I have the battery there, just topping it off. It's a brand new battery, it was charged, but when you don't charge it, it's been sitting for a while, charge it back up, it goes down, So now I finally decided to put it in its rightful place. Yeah. So, getting it together. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my videos. I enjoy fixing things, putting stuff together. A lot of great content here. Alright, so that's that. Very simple. I guess I have to flip this over to get it out. Yep. It's very simple. Flip it over. Oh wow, yeah, just like that. Take out the old, red and black, put in the new. Hopefully it's that simple, but it looks like it is. Red and black. This battery. This is on pretty tight, but I wanna. There we go. Slowly but surely. Let me see if I can get it off. Put this flat. There we go. Alright, so it's like, I don't know. I'm sure this battery is done. It's a little swollen. You can tell the battery is a little swollen. I don't know if you can see it. The ridge here. So. Alright, let me unplug this. Take this out. Put it upside down. It's the same battery. As you can see, the size is the same. It's just that this battery is not swollen. It's brand new. This is old, swollen. You can tell that is no good. I don't have any adhesive tape on here. I guess that's to keep it from, I don't know, sliding around. But let's put this on and see if this baby will pop on by itself. I have another video showing how the speaker acts when the battery is dead or dying. Alright, have a little protector here to keep it from shorting out. Alright, that's there. Has little guards at the bottom here to keep it from hitting the wires, but this is great. It's nice compartmentalized. Just like that. See? Well, see, now I know why they put that stuff on there to keep it from shaking around, but let's test it out and see if it works. Oh yeah, full charge, just like that. Beautiful. Nice. Alright, it's good to go. I'm gonna turn it back off. And that's how you change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some, I have I think some Velcro or some adhesive thing that I can put on here to keep it from sliding around. Or I'll put some cardboard. And I just put this back and that's it. Boom bap, simple, clean, straightforward. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you were able to do yours, if this video helped you, share it. Thank you so much.